Hello children, welcome to class 1 computers. So children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 3 uses of a computer. So children, we had completed this chapter and we were doing book exercise of this chapter. So children, in book exercise also we had completed question number A, B and C. So children, let us revise what we did in our previous video and then we will proceed to the further in the chapter. So children, as you know, we were doing chapter 3 of our computer book, IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes, Computer Series 1. So children, first question, there are some questions or exercises which are given at the end of the chapter, children. And first question is A, tick the correct answers. So children, here in question number 1, we have computer can solve dash for you. Children, computer can solve dash for you. Question options are sums, paint and draw. So children, if you read the question carefully, there is a word solve. यहाँ पे solve, fill in the blank के पहले आपके पास word है solve. So we can only solve sums. हम सॉल्व के साथ ना ड्राइंग लगा सकते हैं, ना कलरिंग लगा सकते हैं, ना पेंट लिख सकते हैं, ना गेम्स लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि वी कैन ओनली सॉल्व सम्स. सो हियर द ऑप्शन सम्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो यू विल राइट सम्स इन फर्स्ट आंसर और यू विल पुट अ टिक in front of sums and write sums in the blank given here. So first question children, question number A. In question number A, option number A is the correct answer. So you will write here SUMS sums and you will put a tick in front of sums. Question number 1, A, sums. Computer can solve sums for you. Then children, second one, you can listen to the songs with the help of speakers dash attached to the computer. So here also we have 3 options. As I told, the answer is speaker. So let us see the options children. In option first one is keyboard, second one is speakers, third one is mouse. So children, as you know, listen, you can only listen to the music. You can't listen to the keyboard, neither you can listen to the music. ना तो हम mouse, sorry. यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. हम अगर हमें कोई चीज़ सुनना है तो सिर्फ हम स्पीकर्स को ही यूज़ करके सुन सकते हैं. वी कैन हियर यूजिंग द स्पीकर्स. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज स्पीकर. नाइदर we can only listen to the song or the music through speakers. ना तो हम कीबोर्ड से म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं, ना ही माउस से म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं. For listening to the music we need speaker. So here correct answer is speaker. You will put a tick in front of speaker. That is option B, SPEAKERS, speakers. Second answer is speakers, क्योंकि हम म्यूजिक सिर्फ स्पीकर से सुन सकते हैं. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज स्पीकर्स. देन थर्ड वन चिल्ड्रन, कंप्यूटर कैन टाइप डैश फॉर यू. कंप्यूटर्स कैन टाइप डैश फॉर यू. एज यू नो चिल्ड्रन, हियर द ऑप्शन, देयर आर 3 ऑप्शंस, म्यूजिक, वर्ड्स एंड गेम्स. व्हाट कैन यू टाइप चिल्ड्रन? नाइदर यू कैन टाइप अ गेम नॉर यू कैन टाइप अ म्यूजिक. ना तो आप म्यूजिक को टाइप कर सकते हो, ना ही गेम्स को टाइप कर सकते हो. किस चीज़ को टाइप कर सकते हो? It is the words that you can type. So correct answer is words. That is once again option B, WORDS, words, and you will put a tick in front of words. Now fourth one children. In fourth we have computers help to send and receive message, receive dash around the world. Computers help to send and receive dash around the world. The 3 options are games, speakers or messages. So why should we send games or speakers all over the world? It is the message that has to be sent and that is sent. So you will put a tick in front of messages, as the correct answer is messages. MESSAGES, messages. So you will put a tick in front of messages. So let us read children. Once again, first one is, as I said, computers can dash for you. So answer is sums. You will write, put a tick in front of sums and you will write sums in the blank given here. Then speakers, second one is speakers. You can listen to the songs with the help of speakers. attached to the computer. So it is speaker which is used for listening to the song. Then children, computers can type dash for you. What can a computer type for you? Computer can type words for you. So you will put a tick in front of words. Lastly children, computers help to send and receive dash around the world. Computers can send and receive dash around the world. So that is messages. So you will put a tick in front of messages. So with this we have revised question number A. Now question number B. Question number B children, here once again we have some words given and only some of the letters are missing. We are going to read out the question and understand what is the answer and then complete the word, incomplete word given here. So children, let us do question number B. In question number B children, we have fill in the blanks. हमारे पास question number B में है fill in the blanks. FILL fill in the blanks. BLANKS blanks. Our first one is children. As you can see, you can play many dash on a computer. So what is that which you can play children? That is games. You can play games. Neither you can draw, play, पेंट, प्ले के साथ ना आप पेंट लगा सकते हो, ना तो आप ड्रॉ लगा सकते हो, ना वर्ड्स लगा सकते हो. तो प्ले के साथ you can add only games. And the clues also indicates that it is games because G is given, M is given and S is given. So the word given here is games. So here G is written children. G is already written. M is also written. S is also written. You are going to fill here. You will play games. GAMES. So answer is games. Now second one. Come to the second question children. Computers cannot draw. No, sorry children. Second one. You can type words and numbers on a computer using. You can type words and numbers on computer using. आप किस चीज़ को यूज करके वर्ड्स और नंबर टाइप कर सकते हो कंप्यूटर में? तो लेट अस सी द क्लू गिवन हियर चिल्ड्रन. Here the clue is, may you have so this one is the last one and the words given are K, then Y is also given, then A is also given and D is also given. So only you have to fill the words in the blank given here. So children, it is the keyboard through which you can type words and numbers in the computer. So K, E, Y, B, O, A, R, D, keyboard. So the answer is keyboard. Keyboard is the part of computer using which you can type words and number in the computer. Now children, third one. So third is, you can draw and paint objects using mouse. You can dash and paint. So what will come with paint children? You can draw and paint. So here you will write D is already given and A is also given. Here you will write R and W. So here you will write R and W. You can draw and paint object using mouse. So you can draw and paint objects using mouse. So third one is draw. Now fourth one is children. Fourth one is, you can listen to dash on a computer. You can listen to dash on a computer. What can we listen on a computer children? Listen हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can listen to the music. Even the clue says it is music because first letter of the clue is M, second letter is not given, third letter is S, M, and two letters, last two are also not given. So it is M, U, S, I, C, music. So you can listen to music on a computer. आप कंप्यूटर से म्यूजिक भी सुन सकते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे पास है, you can solve dash on a computer. Once again we have the same question which we have done in previous question. You can solve what, children? You can solve sums. So the letters given here S, N, you are going to write U and S. So here this is sums. You can solve sums on a computer. So you can solve sums on a computer. So children, words are GAMES, games, KEYBOARD, board, keyboard, DRAW, draw, MUSIC, music, SUMS, sums. So children, with this we have completed question number 2 also, B also. Now we will do question number C. So children, in question number C we had done true and false. As you know children, write in box T for true and F for false statement. Now children, computers can walk from one place to another. Children, can a computer walk from one place to another? क्या कंप्यूटर एक जगह से दूसरे जगह से आ जा सकता है? So this statement is false children. As we know, computer cannot move from one place to another. So you will write F for false. तो आप यहाँ पे true false में children question number C में आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. We have already done. You will write here. One में you will write F for false. You have already done F for false. So first one is F for false. Then second one children, computers cannot draw pictures. Computers cannot draw pictures. Is it true children? No, it is false because computers can draw pictures. As it is written cannot, so the statement is false. So here you will write F for false. You will write F for false. Now third one children, third one is computers can type words and sentences. Computer can type words and sentences. Is it true children? Yes, it is true. So you will write T for true. Using keyboard you can type words and sentences in the computer. So children, fourth one. In fourth we have computers can show movies. Computer can show movies. This statement is also true. So you will write T for true क्योंकि हम कंप्यूटर से मूवी देख सकते हैं. Then fifth one children. Fifth one में we have computers can play in the playground. Is it possible for a computer to play in a playground children? No. As a computer cannot move from one place to another, it can also not play a game. So it is not possible for a computer to play games in the playground. So this statement is also false. So children, with this we have gone through the exercises which we had done in our previous video. Let us do the next one children. तो आज का हमारा एक्सरसाइज है क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. You can see children, question number D. In question number D we have application based question. Question number D में हमारे पास है application based question. So let us read and understand the question. As we know children, in application based question we solve the question by whatever we have understood from the chapter. So whatever knowledge we have gathered from the chapter, that we use for solving this question. So children, here application based question. In the application based question we have a question. In the computer class the teacher taught the uses of a computer. In the computer class children, the teacher taught the uses of a computer. She asked the students to write any two uses of computer in the homework. Now after reading the chapter, whatever we have understood in the chapter, we are going to apply that here for solving this question. So question number D is application based question children. Here whatever we have learnt in the chapter we are going to apply in solving this question. So children, here there is a boy called Rahul. As I told you, the computer teacher has given Rahul a homework to write some two uses of computer in any two uses of computer. Now as Rahul has forgotten whatever he had taught in the class, he had learnt in the class, so you are going to help him in writing the answer. So children, आपने जो भी पढ़ करके समझा है आप उसके बेसिस पे राहुल को बताओगे कि वो किस तरह से ये आंसर लिख सकता है. तो चिल्ड्रन, एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन द चैप्टर दैट there are different uses of computers. Computers are used for drawing and coloring, computers are used for solving sums, computers are used for playing games, computers are used for writing, computers are used for doing homework, computers are used for sending mails and receiving mails. So any two of the examples you can write here and complete this question. So suppose children, we will write here question number D. Question number D is application, A-P-P-L-I, application based, B-A-S-E-D, based question, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. In this question, children, we will be doing this question on the basis of what we have understood in the chapter, the computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-A-R, computer, class, the teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, the teacher, taught, T-A-U-G-H-T, taught, the uses of a computer, in the homework. So children, whatever you have learned in the class, you are going to write in your homework. As Rahul, R-A-U-L, Rahul, forgot, F-O-R-G-O-T, forgot, its uses help him in doing his homework. So children, as we know, here Rahul is your friend, or you can say he is one of your classmates. So teacher has given homework for everyone, but Rahul has forgotten, or he forgot whatever was taught in the class. So you are the one who are going to help him in writing the answer. तो ये एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड है, तो जो भी हम क्लास में सीखते हैं या क्लास में सुनते हैं, उसी के बेसिस पे हम एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन को में अपनी नॉलेज को अप्लाई करते हैं. तो हियर हम अपनी नॉलेज को कहाँ अप्लाई करेंगे? वी विल अप्लाई आवर नॉलेज इन टेलिंग राहुल द आंसर. सो हियर द आंसर कैन बी चिल्ड्रन, you can write here answer. As I told you, there are many uses of computer, but you can write play games. You can play games using a computer, and you can draw, D-R-A-W, draw, and paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint, because these are the two interesting work or the task which you like to do on computer, or which you like to do using a computer. So here children, this is application based. Here whatever we have learned from the chapter, we apply to solve this question, or we apply our knowledge in solving this question. And in these type of questions, we have some story type question where we are applying our knowledge. That is why it is known as application based क्वेश्चन. तो हमारा कंप्यूटर जो होता है ये स्किल बेस्ड होता है. तो यहाँ पे जो भी स्किल्स हमने सीखी है कंप्यूटर को पढ़ के, या तो स्किल्स के बेसिस पे, या फिर जो भी हमने नॉलेज गेन किया है उसके बेसिस पे वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. तो हम इसको अपने लाइफ में कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे, या फिर यहाँ पे भी वी हैव अप्लाइड दिस इन आवर लाइफ. How? By telling our friend how to write the answer. So children, this is your question number D. With this we have completed D also. After that children, we have some picture based question. As you can see in your book, page number 26, with children, we have some pictures, and these pictures are of different machines. All these are machines. As we know, computer is one of the machine. So there are some more machines which are given here. We are going to find out, children. Let us read the question first. So question number E, computer is a single machine but can do many tasks for you. So as I have told you many times children, we have lot of machines in our homes. हमारे घर में बहुत सारे machines होते हैं which we use in our day to day life, जिसको हम अपने day to day life में use करते हैं for making our life easy and comfortable. अपनी life को easy और comfortable बनाने के लिए, अपनी life को fast बनाने के लिए, जिस काम को हम घंटों में करते हैं हम मिनटों में या सेकेंड्स में उसको कर लेते हैं, तो है ना हमारा काम फास्ट हो गया और we can use that time for some other valuable work. So children, in this way computer has made our life easy and very fast. So children, यहाँ पे भी there are some more machines other than computer. So as I told you कि the computer is a machine which can do many tasks for us or many work for us. लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ और machines हैं, these are also machines like a computer, but they can do one or the other work for us. ये बहुत सारे काम नहीं करते, वो एक आध काम करते हैं, लेकिन कंप्यूटर ऐसा मशीन है जो हमारे लिए बहुत सारे काम करता है. तो यहाँ पे what we have to do is children, computer is a single machine but can do many tasks for you. So take the picture of the machines whose work can also be done on a computer. So as I know children, here we are going to tell how many machines are there in this in these pictures which can replace, whose work can be replaced by computer, मतलब जिसका काम कंप्यूटर भी कर सकता है. तो इसीलिए हमें उन पिक्चर्स पे टिक करना है जो जिसका काम कंप्यूटर भी करता है. तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी मशीन, लेट अस फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर दीज मशीन्स, देन वी विल take which machines can do the work of computer also. So firstly children, we have vacuum cleaner. As you know children, vacuum cleaner is a machine which can clean our house, which we use to clean our house and which we use to clean the articles or the some items which we have in our house. So इसको हम cleaning के लिए use करते हैं, but a computer cannot do the work of cleaning. साफ सफाई का काम कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है, तो we will not put any tick in this box. And every box we have, every picture we have one box children. On top of left side of the picture we have a box, उसमें हमें टिक करना है if the machine, the work of the particular machine is can be replaced by the computer or can be done by the computer. तो यहाँ children we have second picture. Second picture में we have children television. So can a computer do the work of television children? क्या कंप्यूटर टेलीविजन का काम कर सकता है? बिल्कुल कर सकता है. As you know children, you can see serials or movies or cartoons, or you can listen to the न्यूज़ एंड ऑल भी आजकल हम कंप्यूटर के थ्रू देख सकते हैं या फिर हम मोबाइल में देख सकते हैं, तो ये काम भी कंप्यूटर कर सकता है. सो द वर्क ऑफ दिस टेलीविजन कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द कंप्यूटर. तो जो भी काम हम कंप्यूटर टेलीविजन पे करते हैं वो सारे काम कंप्यूटर में भी कर सकते हैं. तो यू कैन पुट अ टिक इन द बॉक्स जस्ट अबाउट द पिक्चर ऑफ अ टीवी या टेलीविजन. देन थर्ड पिक्चर इज ऑफ टाइपराइटर चिल्ड्रन. एज वी नो टाइपराइटर इज यूज्ड फॉर टाइपिंग. टाइपराइटर को यूज़ करके हम टाइपिंग करते हैं. तो अगर हम टाइपिंग तो हम कंप्यूटर से भी कर सकते हैं, तो ये मशीन जो टाइपराइटर है इसका काम हम कंप्यूटर पे भी कर सकते हैं. सो आप जो बॉक्स दिया हुआ है वहाँ पे आप टिक करेंगे. Then children, we have another picture. This picture is of video game. We can play video game using a computer also. So you will put here also. In this box also you can put a tick. Then children, we have car. As you can see, there is a picture of a car. So can a computer do the work of a car children? नहीं. कार का काम क्या है? What is the purpose of a car children? Having a car means you can move from one place to another. हम कार को यूज़ करके हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं या ट्रेवल करते हैं. तो हम कंप्यूटर से ट्रेवल नहीं कर सकते. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू ट्रेवल यूजिंग अ कंप्यूटर. सो कार पे भी हम टिक नहीं करेंगे. देन चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव साइकिल. एज वी नो चिल्ड्रन, साइकिल इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर मूवमेंट. ये हमें एक जगह से दूसरे जगह ले जाने में हेल्प करता है. सो साइकिल में भी हमें टिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. वी विल नॉट टिक इन द बॉक्स इन द साइकिल. देन चिल्ड्रन, AC. AC is a machine which cools our house or room. So children, AC computer से भी हम अपने घर को cool नहीं कर सकते. So this work also can't be done by the computer, and here also you are not going to put a tick. Then washing machine children, कपड़ा धुलता है, it washes our clothes. This work also can't be done by a computer. So here also you will not put a tick. Then children, lastly we have music system. So a computer can do the work of music system as we can listen to the music using a computer also. तो चलो हम इसे एक बार लिख करके समझते हैं, क्योंकि इस तरह से थोड़ा मुश्किल है. तो we will write all the names of those items which are given. which are given here. So children, हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमारे पास सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन नंबर ई में पिक्चर है, दैट इज चिल्ड्रन ऑफ अ वैक्यूम क्लीनर. सो वी विल राइट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा यहाँ पे है, देख सकते हो आप, क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. वी विल राइट हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई में है चिल्ड्रन टिक, TICK, टिक. आई एम राइटिंग सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विच इज more important. Tick the picture, PICTURES, pictures of machines whose work, whose WORK work can also be BEP done, DONE done on a कंप्यूटर. अब हमें बताना है कि कौन कौन सी ऐसी मशीन है जिसका काम एक कंप्यूटर भी कर सकता है. तो चिल्ड्रन, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर. मैं यहाँ पे पिक्चर नहीं ड्रॉ करने जा रही हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ओनली नेम्स. मैं सिर्फ नेम लिखूंगी. सो फर्स्ट मशीन इज चिल्ड्रन वैक्यूम. यहाँ पे हमारे सामने जो फर्स्ट मशीन है वो है वैक्यूम क्लीनर. वैक्यूम क्लीनर. सो आपके पास यहाँ पे वैक्यूम क्लीनर है और देयर इज अ बॉक्स. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बॉक्स है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर देयर इज अ बॉक्स. जस्ट देयर इज अ स्मॉल बॉक्स जस्ट अबव here is a small box. So this is vacuum cleaner. Then children, next picture is of television. Next picture है TELEVISION, television. अब यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास बॉक्स है, आप देख सकते हो. Here also we have a box. रुको थोड़ा नीचे लिखते हैं. TELEVISION, television. तो ये भी एक बॉक्स है और यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास एक बॉक्स है. देन नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ typewriter. Typewriter. This is a picture of a typewriter. Here also we have a box. Then we have a picture of music system. Here we have a picture of a music system. ये है music. नहीं, firstly we have a picture of a game, video game. So video game. And here also we have a small box. Then थोड़ा छोटा बनाते हैं, हमारे पास पिक्चर्स ज़्यादा है. So we have another one children. यहाँ पे हमारे पास है कार. This is a car. हम और छोटा बॉक्स बना सकते हैं कार का. This is a car. And here also we have a box. Then we have साइकिल, बाइसिकल. हम सिर्फ साइकिल यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं. राइटिंग ओनली साइकिल हियर. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ साइकिल. एंड देन वी हैव हियर वी हैव चिल्ड्रन वी हैव AC. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ AC. देन वी हैव washing machine. This is washing machine. So children, here is a picture of a washing machine. So let us discuss first one children. So first children, vacuum cleaner does the work of cleanliness. मतलब साफ सफाई का काम करता है, हमारे घरों को साफ करता है. तो वैक्यूम क्लीनर साफ सफाई का काम कंप्यूटर नहीं करता, तो यहाँ पे हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. So this work can't be done by a computer. Then children, television, of course we can, whatever we do on the computer can be done on the television. Yeah, whatever we do on using the television can be done through the computer also. So here you will put a tick. जो काम हम टीवी पे करते हैं वो हम कंप्यूटर पे भी कर सकते हैं. फिर टाइपराइटर. टाइपराइटर से बेसिकली हम टाइपिंग का काम करते हैं. दैट कैन बी डन यूजिंग अ कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू विल पुट अ टिक, क्योंकि वो सारे चीज़ें जिसका काम हम कंप्यूटर से कर सकते हैं उस पर हमें टिक करना है. देन चिल्ड्रन, वीडियो गेम. वीडियो गेम कैन बी प्लेड ऑन कंप्यूटर. वीडियो गेम कैन बी प्लेड ऑन अ कंप्यूटर. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू विल पुट अ टिक. आप यहाँ पे भी टिक लगाएंगे. फिर कार. कार पे क्रॉस कराएंगे, क्योंकि कार हमें मूवमेंट कराता है, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाता है, ये कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है। सेम विथ साइकिल ऑल्सो, साइकिल का काम भी कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि साइकिल भी हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर के जाता है। AC हमारे कमरे को कूल करता है, इट कूल्स आवर रूम, सो ये भी कंप्यूटर कूलिंग नहीं करेगा, सो दिस इज रॉन्ग। वॉशिंग मशीन चिल्ड्रन, वॉशिंग मशीन डज द वर्क ऑफ वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स, दिस ऑल्सो कान बी डन बाई अ कंप्यूटर, तो यहाँ पे भी हम क्रॉस कर देंगे। सो चिल्ड्रन वन मोर मशीन इज लेफ्ट, लास्ट वन, दैट इज म्यूजिक सिस्टम। अब लास्ट वाला जो है हम फर्स्ट वाला मिटा रहे हैं और यहाँ लिखेंगे म्यूजिक सिस्टम, दिस इज लास्ट। म्यूजिक सिस्टम इज यूज टू लिसन टू द म्यूजिक, म्यूजिक के थ्रू, म्यूजिक सिस्टम के थ्रू हम म्यूजिक सुनते हैं। तो यहाँ पे हम यू कैन राइट ट्रू, क्योंकि म्यूजिक कैन बी लिसन थ्रू द कंप्यूटर, हम म्यूजिक कंप्यूटर से भी सुन सकते हैं। सो दीज आर द म्यूजिक सिस्टम, टेलीविजन, टाइपराइटर, वीडियो गेम और वीडियो गेम, all these works can be done using the computer. So यहाँ पे टेलीविजन, टाइपराइटर, गेम्स, प्लेइंग गेम्स, वीडियो गेम और म्यूजिक सिस्टम, इन सारे कामों को जो टेलीविजन करता है, टाइपराइटर करता है, वीडियो गेम करता है एंड म्यूजिक सिस्टम करता है, ये सारे काम अ कंप्यूटर कैन ऑल्सो डू। सो चिल्ड्रन, विद दिस वी हैव कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस chapter. We have completed book exercise. We will be doing some extra question from the chapter in our next video. Till then children, thank you. Go through the chapter. Whatever we did, you will do in the book itself. So thank you children and have a nice day ahead.